We're a subcontract percentage engineering company. We'll be going 73 years this year, and we heavily do a lot of machining for the aerospace, oil and gas industry. We've come on quite a big learning curve with the amount of data that we have. We wanted to be a lot smarter in our production. We wanted to be able to offer a better environment and working balance for our staff, but also be able to be that step ahead for our customer base. We've taken our data, our customers' data, we've fed that into this new software that we've had designed and built for us, and that now tells us exactly what, when, how, where we need to manufacture that components. We offer the full package with greenhouse scheduling, so you can see exactly what we're manufacturing, when we're manufacturing, increase our on-time delivery, so improve that, be more reactive to our customers. We're not just, we're a CNC machine shop. We're a CNC machine shop that can offer you a day-to-day updates on where your orders are. You can see where the material is, what's cutting. If it's going to be late, we'll tell you, and this is the plan we can have. So we're a lot more reactive now than we can be, and we can predict exactly what's going to happen.